Hi, I'm Carrie Sherburne, Senior Editor, What They Think, and I'm here with Saima Fateh, who is a very bright young designer. First, why don't you tell our viewers a little bit about yourself, where you come from, and what you're doing here in London?
Yes, of course. So I'm Saima. I'm an industrial designer. I moved to London around 2 years ago to pursue my master's in industrial design at Central St. Martin's. And in the 2 years, at the end of it, we had to do a whole thesis project. And this is what I've come up with. So I have worked with home accessories and a lot of architectural features earlier. And I've had a major interest in material science and exploration, which all combined together and led to this. So it's a shading system that is responsive to UV radiation levels in heat and gets triggered by them through changes in form and color and uses no electrical input. Instead, I have integrated it with two types of materials, smart materials that trigger that change. One is these specific kind of metals, shape memory alloys that can be trained to remember form. And I've used them as the trigger mechanism that runs through the entire framework. And when they sense really high temperatures in hot regions, they automatically close up the panels, increasing the passive shading indoors. Apart from these, I have also used a reverse mechanism. So as it gets cooler, they automatically open up again and it keeps going day to day, every day. And another feature is a pigment that is coated on the sun-facing side of the panels, which changes color. So the higher and the brighter the color of your windows, the higher the UV levels are out there, which becomes a passive indicator, prompting you to take protective measures against high UV. And the whole window is like a communication link with the outdoors. It tells you through the changes how the temperature and the climate is interacting with you when you are indoors.
Terrific. And it's always great to see the sustainability aspects of these projects. And in India, and where I live in the Caribbean, this is beautiful. I want to buy one.
Yes, soon with all the R&D that's going to go beyond this point to make it commercially viable, it might actually reach the homes, because that was the idea, to make it accessible and to have it simplified to a point where it can be an everyday home accessory.
Terrific. Thank you very much.
Thank you.